Hi, it's Todd at Filament Lighting, and we're trying to give your dining room a new look. If you're looking for something that's more rustic and modern, I have 3 ideas in 3 different budgets for you. My first suggestion has wood and metal on it. It's a black metal finish, which is really popular right now. It only comes in one size, but it's just a really great, clean look. Now, it's pictured here in an early electric style light bulb, but you don't have to do that. You could do a white light bulb in it, round, to make it look more modern, or you could do just a regular light bulb in it also. My medium price point fixture is on down rods instead of chain. It's a little bit cleaner look than the first one. It has natural wood finish with a black metal finish, but just a great combination, super versatile. It would look great over your rustic table. Our third and more expensive fixture is a wood that has a stain on it. So it's a little bit darker fixture, which to me leans more rustic. This one also has black finish on the metal and down rods instead of chain. Now, being on down rods, you need to have a flat ceiling for it. This one's not able to hang on a vaulted ceiling, but it'd be great over your modern table, it'd be great over your rustic table. It's a really great piece. If you would like any of these 3 pieces, click on the links below. If not, and you need some more ideas, email us at info@filamentlighting.com, send us some pictures of your dining room, and we'll get you some ideas.